What was going on this morning was the inauguration of the steering committee for the celebrations of the Uganda Martyrs on the 3rd of June 2026, which celebrations will be animated by the Diocese of Kasese by appointment of the Uganda Episcopal Conference. So the Diocese of Kasese is beginning to prepare. The steering committee is forming or will form subcommittees so that they can together prepare for those celebrations. No man lives as an island. We all live together. So as we live together, we must work together. Now, when it comes to an enormous task like preparing for the celebration of the Uganda Martyrs on 3rd June, I hope everyone has known how big this celebration is. You cannot do it alone. So the bishop could not do it alone. He could not do it with the team of priests that he has around him alone. So he needs the support of everybody. And indeed, he will need the hand of everybody. If I may talk briefly about funds, this is a celebration that will require a lot of money. So it will require that everybody makes a contribution. So truly, agatera inengugati gufa awahindene wakatula erikuha. So we need to work together.
The assignment I have is an enormous one, but I understand this is a duty of the church and it is the work of God. So once we trust in the Lord, as we have been told by the Vicar General, we shall succeed. And we have a formidable team. I'm deputized by Mr. Nsukwa Joseph, the head teacher of Kasese Secondary School, and is an experienced man in organizing these events. We know with the team and the rest of the persons in the Diocese of Kasese and the whole of Uganda and in the whole world, we shall succeed. Now that we have been inaugurated, we are now going to sit down, come up with a set of activities that are going to guide the whole celebration. So for now, I may not say that we are going to be ABCD, but now we are going to sit down and come up with a framework of how the whole thing will be.
I request you that every time you hear the parish priests of your various parishes coming to you and telling you that again Namugongo is near, again the cathedral construction is ongoing, the parish priests will not be talking to wrong people. You are actually the audience in the various parishes. So let's be prayerful. Let's intercede for this thing through our various saints that all is successful. And I know together we are going to be very successful. What is important is unity. What is important is teamwork. What is important is being hopeful. What is important is being faithful. We are going to succeed to all this.